Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can block group chats on Messenger, so let's get right into it. Now, this isn't blocking in the traditional sense, however, you can prevent people from adding you to group chats and muting them as well, and you can also leave the groups, so I'll be explaining all of those steps right here. Now, if you just want to mute the chat and ignore it, you can very easily do that. You just go into the group chat, go into the either tap on the name of the group chat or click on the eye on the top right, and you'll get to this here screen. Now here you will have the option to mute your group chats somewhere. Now, as you can see, because I'm alone in the group chat, I don't have the option to mute it. However, if you have other people in the group chat, you'll have the option to mute messages under, I think, more actions, and you'll be able to tap that, and then you'll be able to select how long you want the chat to be muted, whether you want it to be for 5 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour, or indefinitely until you turn it off. And then once you mute it, you're done with that, and you can very easily ignore the chat. However, it will still appear at the top of your chat log. If you receive messages through that chat, you just won't get any notifications. Now, if you want to completely block the chat, you can leave the chat. As you can see here, you can press leave and leave the group chat. However, people will still be able to add you back to the group chat, especially admins, so that is not even the entire process that you need to go through. If you want to completely block that, the person that's adding you or all of the people that are in the group chat need to be blocked as well. You just go into their private chat, go tap either on them or the eye in the top right and block them on Facebook, and then you'll be free to not get added to the chat anymore. And that's pretty much the best that I can tell you. I'm not sure if there are ways to make groups invisible. As far as I know, there might be. I have found something on the internet regarding ignoring chats on the desktop app. However, I'm not 100% sure and I don't want to go over that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.